Hey guys, in my previous video I have shown you how to self-host multiple WordPress websites on one server using AutoHost and a free cPanel alternative called Virtualmin. So today I will show you how to create a subdomain and install a WordPress in it so that you can use your subdomain as your WordPress website. So let's start. Be sure you have your Virtualmin installed already, and I have mine installed, and I am using my first domain, webshanks.org, to access my Virtualmin, and I will be adding a second domain rather. So let's create a virtual server. Okay, it will be webshanks.online, and I'll set an admin password. So let's create a server. Okay, next we will create another virtual server for our subdomain. So it will be a sub server. Just click this one. Okay, that will be, let's say, sub.webshanks.online. And before clicking this create server, let's add an record for our subdomain. Go to your domain registrar and add an record. Okay, that will be sub, and paste your server IP address on IPv4. I will not be using the proxy, and just click save and just wait for a few hours for the a record to fully propagate. Okay, let's go back to our Virtualmin and let's create our server. Okay, so now let's issue an SSL certificate for our domain and subdomain. So just go to manage virtual server and go to setup SSL certificates. And go to SSL providers. Okay, so this is our subdomain, and I will just be issuing an SSL for our subdomain, so that will be online. Okay, now let's request certificates. Okay, great, and we will install a WordPress on our subdomain. Go to manage web apps and just click WordPress. Click this green check icon. So you will click at top level so that it will install to sub.webshanks.online. And okay, I will copy this for our login later. So okay, I will install the WordPress. great. So let's log in to our WordPress. Okay, it will be webshanks.online and paste my password here. So now I am using my subdomain to install a WordPress on it. So I have sub.webshanks.online. You can create more, or it's up to you, as long as your server resources are enough. And this is my WordPress on a subdomain, and I have a secure connection thanks to our Let's Encrypt certificate. Okay, I'll try to install theme. This is the basic one. Okay, let's try this one. Let's activate. Okay, let's see. Okay, great. So the latest is 2025. Okay, I'll activate this one. Okay, now you can install your favorite theme, add content, add media, or whatever you want for your WordPress website. So this is how you will create a subdomain on Virtualmin and create a WordPress website in it. So you can add multiple domains or subdomains on Virtualmin. So that's it. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. And as usual, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.